Hi, welcome back. Another important thing to discuss. Okay. Why I have said every day is new day in SAP or S4 HANA. It's not only for SAP, it's for every software for that matters. Let me try to add my experience here. So to boost your confidence level whenever you try to face new things. So if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Okay. So you can able to get 600 hours, or sorry, 600 plus videos of the content. We calculate it, how many hours it holds, I don't know. Okay. So if you are not yet subscribed, you can subscribe my channel. On top of it, currently I'm holding 4,365 students, including free and paid courses. If you look at here, this is my SAP SD course, which is 103 hours, 357 lectures. This is 3 years effort. If you really want it, you can try this. You can able to keep this as a backup if you are in job trials, so that you can able to view in a mobile or tab wherever you want it. Okay, if you're not yet introduced to SAP S4 HANA, here I explain 3 scenarios you can able to try that gives an added advantage. I'm telling you from 2023 onwards. I already reminded S4 HANA, at least you must know the theory, otherwise you will be sometimes in a big trouble to face certain interviews. Okay, not only ECC. So this is SAP ECC pricing concepts. And if already trained, I'm good. I can handle the things well at configuration level, standard level. I'm better. I'm the best. Having your mindset, then getting master to write functional specification. This you can able to try. Certainly, I have done one more course for idocs, and I'm just providing these links below this video. And SAP SD, ECC, S4 HANA Expert. You try this course I have given on standard. So it is going to cover at least 2 interview questions on SAP standard, on S4 HANA ECC. You can able to find what is the basic difference between S4 HANA ECC. And even though you don't have much difference here, instead of 16 fields, we have 17 fields, and certain things are there. You try to get into this course. Okay. At the same time, rebates. So your credit management settings got moved to from where? Credit management settings got moved from your ECC SD to the same thing in S4 HANA you can able to find in FSCO. Okay, all these are the different courses. If you really want it, you can able to give a try. I'm just providing these links below of this video. Totally 90 to 20 courses available. Okay, so okay, let's try to add. Why I said every day is a new day. Now for some examples, I'm telling you. Okay. Okay, what exactly it is? In project learned off invoice promotions with new external tool integration. This is exactly happened. So like, in one of my FMCG product, they're using external tools to read different fields. That could be the reason we have customized. In my first project, I don't know how actually, pricing has this much scope when I confident about standard, but there is a new scope for learning actually. Okay. And next one. In some projects, idoc solutions and incident resolution I have learned, so that this is also you can say that your day is new day, especially in support projects. Worked with integration issues with Salesforce and Hybris as a front-end tools. This is also one thing. And worked for, here spelling mistake is there, interface issues. Okay. And worked on implemented plant abroad solution. This is very, very important, my friend. I'm telling you, this is specifically I'm pointing out in red color because this is on my 10 years of experience. I never seen this solution. On my 10th year, I have implemented in one of my projects. Okay. These kind of things, actually, it will differentiate these kind of skills. For example, this plant abroad solution is specific to European project. If you have a Euro projects on your resume, you must know these skills so that you can impress in interview board. I can able to implement plant abroad, because without plant abroad, nothing will happen in Europe. Okay, so if you want to learn this, this is the plant abroad solution. This is actually specific skill for your intrastate reporting, and European taxation system also a bit different from your US and India. If you really want it, you can learn. You can able to learn your GST. Okay, so these are some of the skills additionally you must have to differentiate from current SAP SD competition. So many standard configurations and deviations. I don't want to discuss each and everything. Okay. Worked with BW and BA team in one of project for complex report development. A lot like this. Okay. If you really wanted to have that edge, for example, if you learn plant abroad solution, if you mention in your resume, you have exposure and good configuration knowledge about a plant abroad solution. I'm telling you, my friends, how US has, UK has, US has that kind of equal importance, sometimes neck to neck, share for in terms of the projects for Europe also. Okay, of course, our SAP also European company. It's nowhere can deny the fact. If you learn these kind of skills, it will give an edge for you. Okay, don't forget to learn how to write functional specifications and idocs. Specifically, you see this is the code for idocs, highest rated. You must have this one if you are not yet learned, and transportation basics to cover one or two questions. It is very, very important. You need not go to the deep actually. Okay, if you are strong in your basics, and every day is some helping day with your knowledge what you have, and you can able to face the new days in your real time. Okay, so what I would like to say finally, you have to learn, you have to utilize your time when recessions and when jobs are less ahead, when you have a demand and competition in the market. If you wanted to prove yourself, continuously upgrade yourself. Okay, so for example, returns, you have done configuration. How do you remember? You have to do the multiple practice, and after that try to add some examples. I'm just bringing real-time consultants, okay, to help yourself, to give that motivation to work towards your final goal. Okay, so I'm suggesting, if you try my courses 100%, it will be like, back of your mind somewhere, it will come from your mouth in interview. So the day is your day, you're on the job. Jai Bharat. Thanks for listening. Thanks for your patience. Have a great day. I wish you all the best.